Hello everyone, Suman Pachigula here, and this video is about how you can find email IDs and phone numbers from LinkedIn profiles for free. Alright, and before I explain you and show you how exactly it works, but you got to understand one thing. LinkedIn becomes so strict now, and it is really monitoring those profiles who are using any sort of automated or any sort of plugins that can use LinkedIn to scrape its details. All right, so I suggest you, if you are using this, do not use your primary account. What is that going to happen is you're going to end up losing your account or get it deleted by LinkedIn. So never ever do that. I repeat it once again, that LinkedIn becomes so strict at this point of time, and they are deleting so many influencers profiles, so many profiles from LinkedIn who are using automation softwares, bots, or any sort of plugins that goes directly and takes the data from LinkedIn for any business purpose or any usage. So keep that in your mind, and this is my advice, and this is what I could say, disclaimer, anything that could be. So ensure you are primarily focusing on with different IDs and use this tool. All right, now here is how it goes. This is a tool, and this is called Signal Hire. All right, and I have given this URL here, the Signal Hire, and I sign in. How did you can create your own credentials, or I sign in through my other email ID which doesn't have any sort of LinkedIn profiles. Okay, I log in through that, and initially, so it prompts you to install that Signal Hire extension for a free 5 free credits, meaning we could able to see only 5 people for free. Okay, I'm gonna share something that how you can see more. So I have not installed this plugin, but okay, let me remove this. Yeah, I have not used use that plugin, but I have used their website. And in the website, if you see, I have given a search. All right, here I have given a search. So how it works is, let me give you once again so that you will able to understand. So in the location, let me give Atlanta, Georgia, or you want to see in Norcross. Let's see, Norcross is there. Yes, Norcross, Georgia is there, and I want to see someone from Alpharetta. Okay, Alpharetta, Georgia. So now from here, it is just the simple search how we do it, and it asks for the radius. You can go 15 kilometers or anything like that. Then I have given full stack developer or Java full stack is the title, and it is about keywords. I wanted to see Java and Node.js. All right, then I hit search button. All right, and here is the search button. Let me drag it down for you so that you could see. Here is the search. I did not use anything advanced. Whatever there in advanced, I have not used it, but it is asking to upgrade if I have to use anything that sort. So I don't want to upgrade it. I'm going to use these free credits what Signal Hire has to provide. All right, it's yesterday I was trying and I used one. Now I'm going to try here. Let's see if it is taking that. So I put that in search here, and it is searching for profiles. All right, it has searched for a profile, and now once it searched for a bunch of documents, then what I would do, I want to see Sneha Rao. Okay, looks like I watched it. It is what it shows already. And now I have Matthew previously worked as full stack senior developer, Delta Airlines, and he has Java and all bunch of things. Now I want to see that profile before I reveal it. I want to see the profile, so I can go down. I can see everything in here. All right, profile, history, and what else is there? Files. Right now, so he doesn't. It seems like there is no files, nothing. But then there is a profile, bunch of things on here. So because this is from LinkedIn, sometimes they do not add any resumes and that sort, right? Any document. So this is a brief summary of this person, and if I want to find the contact information, I just have to click reveal contact, and it is going to show the phone number and email ID. So looks like there is one more. There are 2 of these phone numbers I can use, and I call this person directly, and it was 4, right? Now let's see whether it has changed. So let me refresh it a little bit. Yeah, no need to refresh it. By default it went to 3, right? So I lost 2 already. I have only 3 to use for this month. Now what is the hack I'm gonna share that with you is, if you are using this free version, right, I wish it is helpful for you people, and you can use its a bunch of functions. It is there. Maybe with the candidates you can create your own job projects, or you can use that this person as a, you know, add to lead list. If you are into sales, you could play with all these options here. But what I would like to suggest is, how you can get many profiles is simple, right? If you want to reveal 50 contact numbers and email IDs, why don't you have 10 email IDs, different email IDs, and log in and use this free one, and you can take advantage of it. All right, so I hope it helped and you are going to use it. So let me know how this tool worked for you, and do refer it to other people and let them have a good time with it. All right, so it's a signalhire.com. Take care and God bless people. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and let the community grow, and let me impact millions and millions of lives through you. Take care and God bless.